Rick Owens is here. Got the bag. I remember had a Fendi Cafe at one point. Alright, yo, just got here. We at Fashion District right now. Got some sneakers in mine. We parked in this garage called Museum Garage near Supreme. I've seen Acne over there. I don't normally see a line over there. They got a line today. They just opened this store like a month ago. Or not a month, probably a couple months ago. Alexander Wayne, I like Alex. Probably not gonna go in there, but it's IGK, some salon. We got Kent across the street. Got Acne over here. Diesel. You got this little Kif tree spot. I've never been in there, but you get some expensive ice cream up in there. Got the Gucci over here. I'm about to figure out what Balenciaga is. You got like a Tesla store. They got the Off-White store up there. We got Stone Island over here. I think Rick Owens is here. They got Rick Owens right next to it. I was in there one time, it was cool. Got like 2 floors. There's a Bottega right next door. It's pretty calm on this side. It's another parking garage if you want to park closer to this stuff. I don't know which one it is. Another Gucci again, another Gucci. You got Margiela right here. Alexander Queen. Balenciaga's this way. It's a cool area. I think I go upstairs to get in. Upstairs. It's a little fancy barbershop over here. We Gotta go into Balenciaga over here. Gotta go Chanel. I didn't even see that. It's in the cut. Little Creed. So we're gonna go in the store. Of course, they don't let you record, so we're not gonna record that. But when we come back out, I'll record more of what's going on around. Stay tuned. We just left Balenci. Got the bag, or not the bag. We got the Balenci bag, but we got some sneakers. Now we just gonna walk around a little bit. We might get some food soon. It's hot and like we just been on go. We got Prada right here. We got Celine over here. Dolce & Gabbana. It's like a little alley. Celine's alright. That's crazy. Saint Laurent. There go Eric over there. Y'all go in there.
Good, man. You?
Big potato.
Just came out of toast. Yeah. Just came out of Eric Emanuel. It was okay. I said like one pair I would get. One pair of shorts. We got Dior over here. Isabel Marant. They got Fendi over here. I remember I had a Fendi cafe at one point. I can go back. Alright, we just left Chanel. It was okay in there. I've never been in a Chanel store, so it was cool to see. Nothing too crazy though. What I'd expect, some purses, some jewelry. We walking back to the car now. Bottega right there. But yeah, just a little quick light trip out. That's all we doing today. We came here with an intention of what we gonna get, so we got that. We leaving. Just want to show y'all what it looks like out here. There's not a lot of videos on it, so I figured it'd be good to show people. Not too crowded today though. I've seen it way worse than this. There was mad traffic coming here though. It was like plus 30, 40 minutes with the traffic. It was like, it took us like an hour 40 to get here. I'm all sweaty now. But it is what it is. This is the life of Florida, Miami. But anyway, like and subscribe, support the channel. Good Movies Travel.